You have to swallow. You can't just put it in your mouth. You gotta swallow.
Yeah, you gotta swallow.
That was like 3 seconds.
Your turn. Nope. Good, you pansy.
Oh my god.
Yeah, it sucks, doesn't
Okay,
it?
I quit. Game over.
Dude, that's horrible. You're gonna be doing this for a little bit.
Oh my.
I was like, oh, look at me in the mirror. I'm so sexy.
I was thinking, yeah. Yeah, pork chop? Yeah, I'm good.
Gosh.
My mouth's extremely dry
I
though.
didn't even hold it for like 3 seconds.
Dude, because my mouth.
Did you put it in? You threw it up.
Oh yeah, I'm going.
You look, dude. You gotta pick that up.
You guys have fun.
That's the aftermath right there.